standing on the corner and me rolling up me herbs. Sweeter than a sweet smooth with hors d'oeuvres. Me love to do the things that make me higher than the birds, like smoking and drinking and talking with the girls. Me see police officers corral me like the army and fling me to the curves. The trees where them find them say, is it mine? Me say possession is the law, you possess it, it is yours.
Them lock me up a jail, as me get bail to the deal and me a seal.
For the weed.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? There has been a strong rumor going around saying that Vybz Kartel have AIDS. According to sources, a female who allegedly has HIV is said to have had unprotected sex with the DJ. One source was saying that Bounty Killer gave the girl money just to set up Vybz Kartel and give him the virus. But is it true? Who knows? Vybz Kartel later denied these allegations.
Them want see me dead, people hooray, hooray. Now go on today. To decay we spray. Jah rule my destiny. Ain't not nice. Them a try hard to see me dead. Why you want to see my bloodshed? Rumour, you make up like dead. Mix me up with woman and a buzzer. Why your love bring war and strife? You know want people keep me survive. You can't make nothing to the teacher. You better ensure your life.
What the deal? Mavado is back on US soil after he recently got his visa back.
I'm back. Big up to all of my fans, them keep it real and just keep it. That's all I say.
Explain to the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut what took place, why your visa was taken away from you.
It's just a whole heap of thing, and you know, first and foremost, more boy, give thanks for the American government for check out the whole thing and the whole allegation of everything. And say boy, Gully God is just all about making the music and making the hit songs for the people, you know what I mean? Because you know, it's just a whole heap of allegation and a bag of thing.
What the deal? Todd has partnered with dancehall king Beenie and is coming out with a new rum called Yard Swag. It's to be released this month.
Yard Swag.
Yard Swag. Yeah. Is the name of it.
Yeah, man. Me and Beenie got together and we, you know, came up with the name.
So here it is, everybody. You've seen it for the first time anywhere in the world. The face of the king of dancehall is on it. So,
yeah, man.
So, sir, is this, what's the difference with this and Vybz Rum?
I mean, we changed the blend a little bit. It's a little bit smoother, but I mean, we're also going to be coming up with a high-end product that fits Beenie Man fan base internationally. It's similar, but I mean, people love the flavor of street vibes, so we just come up with something better.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel is planning to announce his own brand of rum, which is due this summer.
Street Vibes Rum is we actually are in the process of liquidating that company. You know what I mean? So the people can look out for the new Vybz, which is a tonic wine that we're working on right now.
Me want money to spend. Me want money to spend. Me want money to spend. Me want money to spend.
What the deal? Lisa Hyper has been charged with assault after a female had thrown 3-day-old urine and pepper sauce on her, and she later had the person beat up. Lisa is to appear in court on July 12th.
Me and my friends were home on our way to a party, and this girl decided that she was gonna turn back our drive. We called back the drive to come back for we, and she decided that she was gonna wait at the door with some urine in a cup, so she got throw it on we. So she threw it at us, and I just retaliate after that. So that's how it ended up. You don't know, it just self-defense. Nobody now gonna make somebody throw urine on them and take that. All my fans, I didn't deliberately wound that girl or do anything to her. I was provoked and I retaliate after that. So, everything that I did was in self-defense.
What the deal? Assassin aka Agent Sasko is ruling the charts for the first time in 5 years.
Who don't know say music a mash up. Every other minute be a artist a toss up. One bag of lippin' and sissing and gas up. I be a word of fling, dirty water splash up. All I know when I saw no see stage show pack up. Artists run and I make the whole place slack up. Woman a broke out my head tap and cock up. Touch them turn on, be a light and flash up. Me trim off me here now, done with the flat up. One more time me feel like below it and ras up. Me say run the place and the whole of them made that up. Cause all them a rev out them engine and a gas up. Easily.
What the deal? Beenie Man is denying reports that he was denied a Canadian visa recently. According to Beenie Man, it was the promoter's fault that the Canadian visa was granted late.
I was supposed to be in Canada from last week until this week. The promoters, the agents who booked the show, didn't send in the visa application until Wednesday of last week. We were supposed to have a show Friday. If them send in the visa application on Wednesday, that means the visa application reach Thursday. There's no way a Canadian embassy is going to break anybody but to say, alright, come in with your passport today because the visa just come in yesterday. They're going to need time to process the visa, time to get the police record and work out all of this thing. Promoter fault, let the visa come in late. So we went to the Canadian embassy. They actually held on our passport for a week because they need a week to work out the thing. When the visa granted now, we never need the visa again because we cannot dip on a 2-week tour and then go the other week. We already missed a week of whole performance and almost show put off already. So if the promoter try to cover themselves, cover yourself, but don't make me look bad. I have never denied a Canadian visa. Never.
What the deal? In a recent interview, Vybz Kartel said he have to know everything his artists do, like eat, shower, publishing, booking, and recording. Do you think Vybz Kartel is overdoing it? Who knows?
Yo, Vybz Kartel is a man of no art. I'm not afraid for that.
Man, lungs, man, live off a man. Lungs.
Vybz Kartel live off of art, alone, and me don't know. Yeah, Vybz Kartel have no art. Cause all them hard working youth are work over 8 years right now. Zane, and have the first hit song, where for make we reach a glory, I would say yes, I hit this now, Father God. You understand me? We not even can see a mint ball from it.
I know
we not even can see 300,000 Jamaican.
I know what Vybz Kartel don't respect nobody, and him not give you no money, and him show in your face say, yo, you're like nobody to him. You know, you understand? Like a him following I make sunshine.
What the deal? Mavado is to appear in court on November 21st for assault.
When you run them, why you crawl? When you rise, them die fear you fall. But hope and pray, that shine him light my way. Hope and pray, but hope me never stray. Hope and pray, now go on the clear. Hope and pray, send me a hope and pray. Them want know, oh I did it but I did it. The roughest of times I've been to it, bad mind.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out islandvibes.com for the latest music, news, and mixtapes. It's very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Tell them we have done so we don't mention clips with extension. Bullet chain long from Portmore to Center. Them right obviously. We ain't gonna say them more rate one of the women and be defense time self. Immense when friends and as a protection of them family. People on them beds and them never pass the rifle exam. Question AK, AR-15 or 16, each one of the best one. People put one single. Press one, can you come Mark 6? When you get bulletproof vest from, you don't know Skellington. Don't know the pan or the belt or the lens one. Hard rock post, bump up, kick over the jump up. Pick up Spanish stone one order. Dance man, pick up one man and one. And the president's kingdom. Any boy violate a dead man. Red pan send for you in a bread pan. Mainland Park Lane, 100 lane man. New York, London, Compton, Cumberland, Batman, hard rock, how we gon' bust? Rah, boy get shot in a mole. Rah, who's get out of control? Rah, direct connect contact, put shot in a head back open the top gun go clatoon. Boy a run like raccoon, done them bumbo clad platoon. See them in a takuma, and I say them a atakum hard rock. You see them a baboon. Boy a drive by a straight shot and a waist shot. Remember so we no give people 3 wall and gate shot. Anytime we pop up, lay flat, stay flat, till the target get the face shot. Waste that face a go open and brain drop. Shot like raindrop, and a pint tank range that. Beat it like a slave. Hard rock is the master. You know the slave master is a maniac. No lame. We have performed the insane. We have the gold patron. We the full of patron. Turn your hands in a bakery and the dish at a bacon. Big flat I get shot in a ear flat. People pass you a road that say good brain. Jack street and wall block scared that. Everybody feel dead. Hard rock make them have to search. We survive like a niggle in a